Hello. Today we'll see a script which is able to download all videos from our public Telegram channel. It uses a library which interacts with the official Telegram API, so you need the phone number you use to register on Telegram with. No scripting is involved here. All the configuration is done through two Python objects. It's very easy even if you don't know any Python or programming in general. You can set the Telegram group name, of course, filter by minimum video duration, and also by message ID interval. This last option is important because it enables you to download videos by chunks instead of all at once. When downloading, a JSON file will act as history. This means that if a file has been downloaded successfully before, the script will ignore it in subsequent runs. Telegram's API has quite strict limits. That's why I provide the script with lots of configurable timeouts between operations. You can tweak them and see what better works for your use case. By default, sleep values are very conservative to make it more reliable. Here I'm testing it with the funny Telegram group which is public. The first time you run the script, a session file needs to be generated. You will be prompted for your phone number and a confirmation code on the Telegram app. A new file will appear in the directory where the script is located. As long as you have the session file, the phone number and confirmation code are not prompted anymore. As you can see, the script I sell on Fiverr are by default very verbose, so the user knows everything is going on. That can easily be changed in the configuration if you wish. All messages not containing videos are ignored, and by default, messages are processed newest to oldest. Videos take a few seconds to appear after the download because the script uses an asynchronous library. I'm running this in a Debian virtual machine. Using an 800 by 600 resolution, you can see the whole screen on the right. I prefer working via an SSH terminal because VNC is really inconvenient. No clip or sharing, for example, in this setup. Anyway, I just enabled it here so you can actually see the videos. When you press CTRL+C in the terminal window, the script waits 1 minute before exiting. This should give enough time for the last video to be downloaded and saved. If that is not the case, you can use the message ID interval as I explained earlier. Just note that the message IDs to put in the terminal are not the same as the video IDs. Message IDs are progressive integers while video IDs seem more random. Message IDs are printed on these outputs. Now let's copy the videos to my local machine so we can verify if the audio is present as well. The virtual machine, in fact, doesn't have the audio configured. Indeed, it's there. Just as a note that this script works in Windows 10 in the same way. If you want this script, click on the link in the video description or write me through the comments. I offer two versions, one with and one without source code, which is cheaper and it's intended if you just need to run the script, and if you're not interested in doing customizations. Obviously, I'm also available to discuss modifications and extensions if you need them. Thanks for watching and bye bye.